Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out here at Hyundai Automax, and this is a special car right here. This is mine. I just purchased this. This is mine. I just purchased it. I need you to do it over. I didn't have it on. Yeah, I thought I had it on. I'm too excited, man.
Too excited.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, everybody. My name is Shaquan French. I work out here at Automax in Dale City, and Mr. Mike Williams just bought a 2023 Tucson Limited.
This is it right there. And tell them about this trade-in I got. Y'all gave me a good trade-in.
He just traded in a 2018 Kia Sportage with 24,000 miles. You guys can check it out. GT Stinger.
This is my old guys. This is my old Stinger. 2018. I bought this out here. Automax Hyundai. A year and a half ago. But because of my hip, I had to get something bigger, a little bigger, because give me more room. Because this feels like it's real low in these Stingers. Show you what I'm talking about. See how low that seat is? Well, it's a lot higher in my new Tucson. So this is my old car. GT Stinger. I love this car, man. I'm gonna miss it, man, but I had to move on, man. This is my old Stinger. It's theirs now. This is a 2023. I'm sorry. I'm excited, man. This is 2023. Brand new, see, I just got it today. That's right. That's it. And this is mine. It's my new baby. Got a brand new car, 2023, and it only got 12 miles on it. Check that out. 12 miles on this thing. And it's got two sunroofs, one in the back, one in the front. I still got a lot to learn about it. Okay, here, let me finish this. So this is my new car, new SUV. It's a small SUV. And this is one I traded in, my Kia Stinger. I traded it in for this today. October the 4th, 2020, and this is Uncle Mike 392. Here, let me get it, because I'm not going to see this Kia again. It's Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out. I'll see you guys on the other side late.